I'm responsible for BenQ Benelux, and we organize this event now for the second time. Our idea it's all about projection is to build an ecosystem where everything is supporting.
As a BenQ, we are not just a manufacturer for the projectors. We are also doing a lot of solutions with our partners.
We create immersive exhibitions over more than 10 years. It's a projection on different architectural objects like houses. We use just 3 BenQ projectors.
I'm really happy to be here today, and we are presenting the new Exaplay software, which is a playback media server software. Inside that dome we're using 5 BenQ projectors, and they are all 4K.
We have our digital spray can system with us, and the best I will show how it works, almost like a real one. Choose a color and just start spraying and have fun at any event.
So what we have here is a simple setup of the golf simulator with a flight scope. We've got a nice 4K projector from BenQ in here, and you can play 18 holes, let's say within half an hour, instead of 4 or 5 hours on the outside.
People are used to have just a white projection screen, which makes it's a given thing. But by knowing your content and knowing your application, you can improve the image quality by far just by using the right projection surface.
This is the Tovertafel. The Tovertafel is an interactive projection game system. Main objective of our games is actually to stimulate or to relax people living with cognitive challenges.
Spectrabot is what we like to call a troubleshooting application, an instant troubleshooting application, where we focus on solving AV problems in an AV installation.
We are here with a product called Vioso 6. With Vioso we can do calibration of multiple projectors on projection screens. The camera up there calibrates the complete image on the widescreen, and with this one we can recalibrate it multiple times.
What we bring here is a one jewel box, actually is a 3-channel output video processor.
Behind me you can see the live demo of a smart light board. This is our product here, and my colleague Stefan, he's explaining to the audience what is a smart light board, what it's being used for, and what it can do like.
This year it's even bigger and better. So luckily now we had 11 different kinds of solutions to show.
We work with our customer and grow with our customer together.
So it's a very fantastic show for us.